Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Mohammad Awais Sadiq and I am your class 11 mathematics teacher. Students, लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने एक्सरसाइज 8.2 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 कंप्लीट किया था. आज के लेक्चर में हम स्टार्ट करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 को. तो आए चलते हैं व्हाइट बोर्ड की तरफ और आज का लेक्चर शुरू करते हैं. आज के लेक्चर में हम स्टार्ट करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 से. एक्सरसाइज 8.2 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है कैलकुलेट द फॉलोइंग बाय मीन्स ऑफ बायनोमियल थ्योरम एंड पार्ट 1 इज 0.97 रेज़ टू द पावर 3. तो सबसे पहले यहाँ पे जो बायनोमियल थ्योरम है उसको एक दफ़ा लिख लेते हैं. a प्लस एक्स रेज़ टू द पावर n दिस इज इक्वल टू n c0 इंटू a रेज़ टू द पावर n प्लस n c1 इंटू a रेज़ टू द पावर n माइनस 1 into x plus n c2 into a raised to the power n minus 2 into x square plus up to n cr minus 1 into a raised to the power n minus r minus 1 into x raised to the power r minus 1 plus n cr into a raised to the power n minus r into x raised to the power r plus up to n cn minus 1 into a into x raised to the power n minus 1 plus n cn into x raised to the power n. तो यहाँ पे ये जो रूल ऑफ एक्सपेंशन है इसे कहते हैं बायनोमियल थ्योरम. अब हम 0.97 रेज़ टू द पावर 3 को कैलकुलेट करेंगे बायनोमियल थ्योरम की हेल्प से. 0.97 रेज़ टू द पावर 3 दिस इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस 0.03 रेज़ टू द पावर 3 and this is equal to 1 plus into minus 0.03 raised to the power 3. अब हम यहाँ पे बायनोमियल थ्योरम को अप्लाई करेंगे. तो सबसे पहले हमारे पास आ जाएगा 3c0 into 1 raised to the power 3 plus 3c1 into 1 raised to the power 3 minus 1 into minus 0.03 plus 3c2 into 1 raised to the power 3 minus 2 into minus 0.03 raised to the power 2 plus 3c3 into minus 0.03 raised to the power 3. This is equal to 3c0 plus 3c1 1 raised to the power 2 is equal to 1 और साथ आ जाएगा minus 0.03 plus 3c2 into minus 0.03 raised to the power 2 is 0.0009 plus 3c3 into minus 0.03 raised to the power 3 is minus 0.000027. अब यहाँ पे ये जो बायनोमियल कोफिशिएंट्स हैं इनको भी कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं. We know that NCR this is equal to n factorial over r factorial into n minus r factorial. तो हमारे पास 3c0 आ जाएगा 3 factorial over 0 factorial into 3 minus 0 factorial. 0 factorial होता है 1 के इक्वल, तो हमारे पास आ जाएगा 3 factorial over 3 factorial. 3 फैक्टोरियल से हो जाएगा कैंसिल एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू 1. 3c1 this is equal to 3 factorial over 1 factorial into 3 minus 1 factorial. This is equal to 3 factorial over 1 factorial is 1 and 3 minus 1 is 2. तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 2 factorial. This is equal to 3 factorial is 6 and 2 factorial is 2. 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 3 is 6. So this is equal to 3. 3C2, this is equal to 3 factorial over 2 factorial into 3 minus 2 factorial. This is equal to 3 factorial over 2 factorial and this is equal to 6 over 2 which is equal to 3. We know that NCN this is equal to 1. तो हमारे पास 3C3 आ जाएगा 1 के इक्वल. अब हमारे पास आ जाएगा 1 प्लस 3 इंटू माइनस 0.03 प्लस 3 इंटू 0.0009 प्लस इंटू माइनस 0.000027. This is equal to 1 minus 0.09 plus 0.0027 minus 0.000027 and this is equal to 0.912673. So 0.97 raised to the power 3 is equal to 0.912673. This is our final result. Next है हमारे पास part 2, 2.02 raised to the power 4. 2.02 raised to the power 4. This is equal to 2 plus 0.02 raised to the power 4 and this is equal to 4C0 into 2 raised to the power 4 plus 4C1 into 2 raised to the power 3 into 0.02 plus 4C2 into 2 raised to the power 2 into 0.02 raised to the power 2 plus 4C3 into 2 into 0.02 raised to the power 3 plus 4C4 into 0.02 raised to the power 4. This is equal to 4C0 into 16 plus 4C1 into 8 into 0.02 plus 4C2 into 4 into 0.0004 plus 4C3 into 2 into 0.000008 plus 4C4 into 0.00000016. अब हमारे पास ये जो बाइनोमियल कोफिशिएंट्स हैं इनको कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं. 4C0 this is equal to 1, 4C1 this is equal to 4, 4C2 this is equal to 4 factorial over 2 factorial into 4 minus 2 factorial. This is equal to 4 into 3 into 2 factorial over 2 factorial into 2 factorial. 2 factorial 2 factorial से हो जाएगा कैंसिल. 2 factorial is 2 और न्यूमरेटर में है 4 into 3 which is 12. 12 over 2 is 6. 4C3 this is equal to 4 factorial over 3 factorial into 4 minus 3 factorial. This is equal to 4 into 3 factorial over 3 factorial. 3 फैक्टोरियल से हो जाएगा कैंसिल एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू 4. नेक्स्ट है 4C4, दिस इज इक्वल टू 1. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास आ जाएगा 1 इंटू 16 प्लस 4 इंटू 8 इंटू 0.02 प्लस 6 इंटू 4 इंटू 0.0004 प्लस 4 इंटू 2 इंटू 0.000008 प्लस 1 इंटू 0.00000016. This is equal to 16 plus 0.64 plus 0.0096 plus 0.000064 plus 0.00000016, and this is equal to 16.64966,416. So this is our required result. Next है part 3, 9.98 raised to the power 4. (9.98) raised to the power 4, this is equal to 10 minus 0.02 raised to the power 4, and this is equal to 4C0 into 10 raised to the power 4 plus 4C1 into 10 raised to the power 3 into minus 0.02 plus 4C2 into 10 raised to the power 2 into minus 0.02 raised to the power 2 plus 4C3 into 10 into minus 0.02 raised to the power 3 plus 4C4 into minus 0.02 raised to the power 4. This is equal to 4C0 is 1 and 10 raised to the power 4 is 10,000 plus 4C1 is 4 into 1,000 into minus 0.02 plus 4C2 is 6 into 100 minus 0.02 raised to the power 2 is into minus 0.02 raised to the power 2 is 0.0004 plus 4C3 is 4 into 10 into minus 0.02 raised to the power 3 is minus 0.000008 plus 4C4 is 1 into minus 0.02 raised to the power 4 is 0.00000016. This is equal to 10,000 minus 80 plus 0.24 minus 0.00032 plus 0.00000016, and this is equal to 9,920.23968016. So 9.98 raised to the power 4 is equal to 9,920.23968016. So this is our final and required result. Next है part 4, 21 raised to the power 5. इसका solution करते हैं. 21 raised to the power 5, this is equal to 20 plus 1 raised to the power 5. And this is equal to 5C0 into 20 raised to the power 5 plus 5C1 into 20 raised to the power 4 into 1 plus 5C2 into 20 raised to the power 3 into 1 raised to the power 2 plus 5C3 into 20 raised to the power 2 into 1 raised to the power 3 plus 5C4 into 20 into 1 raised to the power 4 plus 5C5 into 1 raised to the power 5. This is equal to 5C0. 20 raised to the power 5 is 3,200,000 plus 5C1. 20 raised to the power 4 is 160,000 plus 5C2. 20 raised to the power 3 is 8,000 and 1 square is 1. Then आ जाएगा plus 5C3. 20 raised to the power 2 is 400 plus 5C4 into 20 plus 5C5. अब यहाँ पे ये जो बाइनोमियल कोफिशिएंट्स हैं इनको फाइंड कर लेते हैं. 5C0 this is equal to 5 factorial over 0 factorial into 5 minus 0 factorial. This is equal to 5 factorial over 5 factorial and this is equal to 1. 5C1 this is equal to 5 factorial over 1 factorial into 5 minus 1 factorial. This is equal to 5 into 4 factorial over 4 factorial. 4 factorial 4 factorial से हो जाएगा cancel and this is equal to 5. 5C2 this is equal to 5 factorial over 2 factorial into 5 minus 2 factorial. This is equal to 5 factorial over 2 factorial into 3 factorial. This is equal to 5 into 4 into 3 factorial over 2 into 3 factorial. 3 factorial 3 factorial से cancel हो जाएगा and 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4. This is equal to 10. 5C3 this is equal to 5 factorial over 3 factorial into 5 minus 3 factorial. This is equal to 5 into 4 into 3 factorial over 3 factorial into 5 minus 3 is 2 and 2 factorial is 2. 3 factorial 3 factorial से cancel हो जाएगा. 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4. This is equal to 10. 5C4 this is equal to 5 factorial over 4 factorial into 5 minus 4 factorial. This is equal to 5 factorial over 4 factorial. This is equal to 5 into 4 factorial over 4 factorial. 4 factorial 4 factorial से cancel होगा and this is equal to 5. And 5C5 this is equal to 1. अब हमारे पास आ जाएगा 3,200,000 plus 5 into 160,000 plus 10 into 8,000 plus 10 into 400 plus 5 into 20 plus 1. This is equal to 3,200,000 plus 5 into 160,000 is 800,000 plus 10 into 8,000 is 80,000 plus 10 into 400 is 4,000 plus 5 into 20 is 100, साथ आ जाएगा प्लस 1। इन सबको ऐड करेंगे तो हमारे पास आ जाएगा 4084101। This is 4,84,101. So this is our final and required result और यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 कंप्लीट हो चुका है। स्टूडेंट्स, आज के लेक्चर में हमने एक्सरसाइज 8.2 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 कंप्लीट कर लिया है। नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम स्टार्ट करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 को। मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको आज का लेक्चर समझ आ चुका होगा। हम मिलेंगे अब अगले लेक्चर में।